Hi, welcome to my another video. Today, I will help you choose the 6 best 3D printer for beginners on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches and I am trying to list those based on price, quality, and more. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting number 1, Creality/Comro 3D printer. The printer is highly recommended for a beginner of 3D printing who is not yet familiar with complex printing designs. You can learn so much with this printer right from the onset since it requires you to assemble it yourself. It would be best if you also had to set up the calibration since it's not automated. The process will only take you about half an hour, and you get to learn a lot from the components, which makes maintenance a lot easier. The printer has several unique features that distinguish it from other printers. One of the most significant traits is the ability to resume printing after a power cut. Other features include fast travel speeds, a colossal build area, Wi-Fi support, and a fast heat-up time to reach 1100 C in 5 minutes. The con of this model is its limitation to the use of PLA filament, which is not a big deal since it's the recommended material for beginners. The printer is also priced at slightly over $249.99. At number 2, Elgato Mars 2 Pro. The printer is the best for resin material, which gives your end product more precision and allows for faster drying. Setting up the machine is easy, and you can begin your printing right away. You add models for 3D printing with USB to the printer after constructing them using UV photo curing. The advantage of using this printer is that it has a carbon filter that reduces all volatile odors and harmful UV rays that emanate during printing. Additionally, it does not cause blur to the layers or loss of clarity to the prints. The device has a 6-inch screen, and it is considered one of the fastest resin printers since it bakes a layer within 2 seconds. The disadvantage of this printer is that it's only suitable for small objects. It is also common for fumes to build up with this type of printer. At number 3, Monoprice Mpvoxel. Monoprice Mpvoxel is a friendly model for beginners to try out. It has several features that bring out quality 3D printouts. Some of these include a simpler nozzle change, a color touchscreen, and an automatic filament feeder. You will not need any tools to change the nozzle of the Monoprice, unlike other 3D printers where you can take about 20 to 40 minutes and tools to change the nozzle. Another advantage of this printer is that you do not need to calibrate it since this feature is automated. The automatic filament feeder also increases the ease of use of this printer. Besides, it will pause printing when it recognizes low filament levels until you load the filament. At number 4, 3-in-1 Snapmaker 3D printer. This printer is suitable for highly creative and enthusiastic innovators of 3D printing, since it allows the creation of objects in materials such as plastic, wood, aluminum, or glass. Besides printing, the machine enables the user to safely and efficiently learn to cut, engrave, or produce computer numerical control (CNC) objects. A beginner will find it easy to use this printer due to its interchangeable parts and other add-on modules. This will help you upgrade and customize your machine to suit your needs and build all the designs you can imagine. It allows its users to get creative and produce massive or multiple small designs at a go due to its large build area. You can place it on a solid level surface to minimize shakes during printing. At number 5, Bibo 3D printer. The Bibo 3D printer can print 2 different objects simultaneously, enabled by its dual extruders. Other features that allow creating these designs are the enclosed aluminum covering that provides accuracy for every printout. When transferring the designs, the filament detection, color touchscreen, resume printing, USB, Wi-Fi, and SD ports provide the machine with more control. The device is worth investing in and will amaze you with its ability to print multicolored designs simultaneously. At number 6, Anacubic Photon Mono. Photon Mono is a 3D resin printer that gives out cleaner and faster designs. It upgrades the standard color LCD 3D printer models and offers a higher resolution and clearer light during the 3D printing process. The printer is 2.5x faster than regular 3D printers and effectively eliminates layer patterns with high accuracy and substantial stability LCD screen.